So today I'm with Pierre Lamontagne, and we're down in Cornwall, Ontario, and we're visiting a new railroad. So it's time maybe to learn a little bit more about it. So Pierre, can you tell me about your railroad?
Okay, the railroad is called the Chambord and Alfred. It is a railroad that does replace the Roberval, Saguenay, and portion of the Canadian National in the Saguenay, Lac Saint-Jean area of province of Quebec. This is a handwritten switch list. It identifies the train, the engine, the consist when we first start, like in Port Alfred, as well as the departure time. Later, as we move to the different towns, we will get our instructions on pickups and setouts. As we get to l'intérieur, we have one boxcar to set out and 4 hoppers to pick up. Switchman has to help a little bit here. Throw the switch. On the back track. I forgot to uncouple them, so I'll do it after I stop.
So we're here at
Kenogami.
What do you gotta have to do here?
There's two set-outs. One's a trailing move, which is fairly straightforward, similar to what we did at La Terrière, at the Rock Crusher.
Yep.
And the other is a facing move, which is just slightly more complicated in that the engine will be pushing a car onto a siding.
Okay.
First, we'll switch two cars. We'll exchange a Pennsylvania boxcar for a Chesapeake and Ohio boxcar. Even if it's a straightforward switching move, there's still some complication involved in that we had tank cars in the way. Therefore, they'll be used as handle on some of those moves. Clear to turn out, and throw it back to the main, and come back. Once again, uncouple. This is train number 2, the only first-class passenger train on this layout. And obviously its counterpart number 1 is also first class. We're coming to the station at Harvey.
See, your cars here are all custom deckled, eh?
Indeed, when you make up your own road name, you end up paying the price somehow, either by getting custom decals or, in my case, doing single lettering.
Well, the nice part about that, though, also is you don't have to be a rivet counter.
No, that's true. A lot of my rivets are uncountable anyway. noticed that I've split the train earlier. The only reason was that the engine was not powerful enough to pull the whole train up the hill. She was just slipping her drivers. So the normal maneuver is to do what we call doubling the hill. Half the train has been left at Jonquière. I've come up the hill now to Harvey with the front half of the train. We'll leave it on the siding, go back, recuperate the back half of the train, and reassemble. Then we can move on to Saguenay Power Yard. So the front half is left in the siding, on the siding. Now going all the way back to Jonquière. We've now picked up the back half of the train. We're going back up the hill where we'll reassemble the whole consist.
So now you just simply reassemble the train, eh, Pierre?
That's exactly what I need to do. Now obviously if this train had switching to do here, I might not reassemble it right away. I would switch the car. I might switch the cars while it's already broken up. But in this case we'll just reassemble. this particular train terminates here at Saguenay Power Yard. The engine will be serviced, turned around, and will go back on the counterpart local train going back to Port Alfred staging. That will take about as long for one train as the other to actually do all its moves.
So the operating session, how long does it normally take now?
The operating session lasts about 2.5 hours, and during that time we simulate 10 hours worth of traffic. You've noticed the fast clocks on the wall. They're a rather simple and inexpensive way of speeding up times, and for the operator it does make a difference.